everyone. Okay, this time in our geography lesson, we're going to be learning about the landmarks of Wales. We've had a look at some English landmarks. We've had a look at some Scottish landmarks. And now we're off to the third country of Great Britain. And that is Wales, or one of the four countries. You could put it like that. So I'm going to share my PowerPoint and we're going to have a look about some information to do with Wales. So Wales is a very green country. Ooh, technical hitch, as you might be able to see from my PowerPoint. It rains a lot there. In fact, we get all our water in Birmingham from Wales because place where we get our water from, the Elan Valley, has got the highest rainfall in Great Britain. It really rains a lot. So even though that means you have to take your umbrella when you go out a lot in Wales, the great thing is everything's very green and fertile. Okay, so here's Wales. So here's our map of the United Kingdom. Okay, so England, Scotland, Northern Ireland, and here's Wales. And here are some of the famous towns of Wales. So Cardiff is the capital city, and that's down here in the south. Swansea's further along here. And we've got various, some of you I know have been to Rhyl, which is a seaside resort right up in the north, because it's not a very far distance to drive from Birmingham to Rhyl. There's various other places, Aberystwyth, Cardigan, that gave its name to the cardigans we wear, and so on. And we're going to have a little look at some of the landmarks of Wales. So we're going to have a look at a stadium that's at Cardiff, a really, really famous castle called Caernarfon Castle. We're going to look at the most mountainous region, which is Snowdonia, and we're going to look at the Menai Bridge, which is right up here between Anglesey, which is an island. So we all know that we're Anglesey Primary School. Did you know that Anglesey Street is named after this island here, just off the north coast of Wales? Okay. It has the longest place name in the UK. I'm not even going to attempt to say that. This, seriously, is a place name. Llanfair Gwynglok Gyrgich Wishwindrop Willantisigilligog. Oh, can you have a go? Can you pause this video and have a go at saying that place name? It's just crazy. Mount Snowdon, look how beautiful that is. It's the highest mountain in Wales at 1,085 metres above sea level. Old legends say that a giant was buried in the mountain. Now, I've actually climbed Snowdon, although you can just walk up Snowdon actually, and it is just a really beautiful way to spend a day. In fact, there's even a little railway that goes up Mount Snowdon. Caernarfon Castle. This is the beautiful Caernarfon Castle. Prince Charles, who's next in line for the throne, was crowned Prince of Wales in Caernarfon Castle in 1969. And the fishing town of Caernarfon is within the castle's stone walls. So you see how near it is to the sea, because a lot of these Welsh castles were built to keep out the English who might have been invading in ships from the sea. The Principality Stadium, this is a much more modern landmark. It's a national stadium of Wales. It's located in the Welsh capital city of Cardiff, and it was opened in 1999. It hosts many events, including sports matches and music concerts, and it's the home of the Welsh national rugby union team. And finally, the Menai Bridge. This connects mainland North Wales, so the main bit of Wales, with the island of Anglesey. That's what I was saying, the isle that our street and our school is named after. And the bridge opened in 1826, and it reduced the long journey from London to Holyhead by 9 hours. Holyhead's on Anglesey, and it's the point where you can sail to Ireland from. It's the nearest sailing crossing. So lots of people travel from Holyhead to Dublin on a ferry. Welsh Foods. Welsh people eat seaweed. It's very, very good for you. And they eat cockles. This is a famous Welsh food called the Welsh rarebit, which has got, it's like basically a fancy cheese on toast. They eat a lot of lamb because there are a lot of lamb and sheep that live in Wales. So it's a very traditional food. And Glamorgan sausages too. Welsh cakes, they're like scones. They're really lovely. Barrabrith, which is like a currant cake. A special type of ham, which is Caernarfon ham, and this special beef, which is called black beef. It's really tasty and succulent. And very, very soon, in just a few days' time, Christians will be celebrating St. David's Day, and he's the patron saint of Wales. And he was meant to have, well, he did bring Christianity to Wales. And so there's a lot of singing because Welsh people love singing and traditional dancing, and also hitting each other over the head with leeks, which is a type of vegetable. That's another part of celebrating St. David's Day. And the Welsh love spring. So daffodils are their national flower and leeks are their national vegetable. And this is the Welsh dragon, because they say that in those mountains in Snowdon, dragons live there. So who knows? And this is St. David's Cross. Okay, so I hope you've learnt something about the beautiful country of Wales today. So next time we'll be looking at the final and fourth country in the United Kingdom, and that's Northern Ireland. So we'll be crossing the sea from Anglesey to Holyhead to Belfast and looking at Northern Ireland. Okay, bye everyone.